Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a dressing game for your readers, for your chapter's story. I have been doing other tutorials regarding how to use the editor, so please look in the description box below for that link to the previous videos. So to get started, let's just jump right into it. Go ahead and go into your story. And what I would suggest before you start following along with the tutorial is to, whoever is playing your MC, go to modify profile and already have some outfits made for them, because we're going to need to use these later as we're creating our dressing game. So just go ahead and create some outfits with different hairstyles to get that out of the way, to make things as smoothly as possible. So now let's say you're at the beginning of your story, or if you're already a few chapters in and you just want to create a dressing game for your character because they're about to go on a date or something. So I'm just going to start from scratch here. Alright, so I'm starting from scratch, but if it's the instructions are going to work the same if you're in the middle of your story or a chapter. Okay, so before we jump into the tutorial, at this time you're unable to create an option for readers to choose their skin tone and facial shapes. So for now, all we can do is create a dressing game that allows them to select what outfit they want to wear. So what I'm going to do here is to create a background, or add a background in here and some text, and then we'll flash forward to the next step. Alright, so I went ahead and added a background and some text to make it look more realistic. So to add a dressing game, you'll need to hover over here and select add branch. Now you may need to add your background in again, so go ahead and do that. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. So what you want to do before you start typing is go up here, select style branch, and now we're creating our dressing game. So go ahead and name your dressing game options. And you can have up to a total of 4 options. Now to tie your clothing outfits to each option. So the first one is something sexy. So you just hit this little button here. It says add outfit. Click on it. There's that, and do the same with the following options. So this is why I mentioned earlier while you were creating your characters to give them some different hairstyles, so it can kind of add a bit of variety. Okay, so let's preview our story so far. Alright, now let's talk about connecting to the next scene. So now typically when you're playing in like an actual original game and chapters, after this point you would select your outfit and then the chapter will start. So that's what you need to do. If you can go from either one of these options, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to pick the one in the middle, and you would need to select add scene. So this is where your chapter is going to start. Now for these branches here, they're going to need to connect to this chapter. So to do that, you would need to hover over each one, select create link, click on the scene 2 so that they will tie in to the next chapter. And I'm going to put some text in here just to give you a visual. Okay, so now let's preview our story from the beginning, now that we have everything connected and our style choices created. Let's choose your appearance, and we have our 3 options. So let's just go with the first one. Click confirm. It's going to take us to the scene we just created. Oh, I forgot to add the background. But as you can see, she's in the outfit that we picked. Let me go add the background, Jesus. So this was the first choice that we picked, and as you see, because we linked it to the scene, it went right along in there. So let me show it to you again. We're going to select something casual. Let's choose your appearance, something casual, confirm. chapter 1 at the mall, and she's in the outfit that we picked. So this will be the outfit that your character will wear unless you decide to change it later in the story, and that's basically how you add a dressing game to your episodes. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below, and if you have any other suggestions for videos that you would like to see me cover, for tutorials that you would like to see me make, comment those below as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.